Now, after driving this car for a couple weeks now, I get accustomed to driving it. It's really good. So maybe, I take back what I said. People might still crash and then that, but driving it, yeah, got real accustomed doing it. All these traffic out here, but still look great. A couple of people asking me, thinking it was the 21. We got our order in for the 21 Model S, the refresh, but haven't received that as yet. Still waiting for the update, but doesn't that look great? Yeah, I like how it looks. But going today to pick up my wheels. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's get into it.
In it.
In a Tesla.
There you go.
Okay, guys, so come to wash up Snowbell before I go pick up her wheels. We need a car wash mode, Elon. We need a car wash mode. We do. We definitely do. Because you gotta come in here and put it on neutral so the car can push you the car wash. Need a car wash mode though, Elon. So you don't have to sit in the car and, put it somewhere over here in the settings or something. Service and car wash or whatever. That's what we need. We need a car wash mode. But freshen up Snowbell. We'll go pick up our new shoes. I got these shoes from referrals. Once the thing thumbs up again, or someone using my referral. So I got a free 22s. After I get my car wash at Hollywood Car Wash, Cognac Avenue and Church. Snowbell looking nice. I'm gonna go right next door to pick up her shoes. See it? All clean. She ain't done yet. Gotta go get her shoes. Okay, so about to get Snowbell wheels is on. So remember I didn't did the calipers. Snowbell's all clean and fresh. Looking real dope as usual. I don't know how Snowbells do. Got it in here. It's my guy Rich. Take care of me every time. Come check him on Coney Island Avenue in Brooklyn. There go my shoes right here. 2, 3, 4. There go the shoes. Like I said, in Coney Island and Church Avenue. Show y'all out here. So, get her washed by right next door to Hollywood Car Wash. Bobby Auto Repairs. Phone number right here when I call these guys. Do a good job on powder coating my wheel. So, I'm gonna show you what it's gonna look like. I start to put it on. And how it's gonna look. It's looking real nice. Order these bad boys. For the rims. So they send you all these stuff. Magnet. Oh, Elon Musk. The S and 3. The Y, I don't got the Y. Got these 3. But that's that. I ordered 2 because when I got the women's for Pearl, probably gonna need some, so I ordered 2 sets. All right. For y'all, you gotta put your car in jack mode. So that way, I guess it'd be easier for them when they... Okay, there go the 22s that I got from the referrals. Came here and get it powder coat, balance it out and everything. I got it the same color as the car, the pearl. So they charged me a little bit more, but it's okay. Usually this is like $150 per rim, but with this reasonable price you give me also. If you look, oh man, it looks so amazing. You can't even really see it, but in my eyes I can. It looks just like the color of the car, the white. So I had these on before when it was all white. It got scraped up a lot, so I came and got them done over. Can't wait to show y'all how it's gonna look. But yeah, powder coated the whole rim. See, you've been sitting here waiting for me. I just been busy at work, so I didn't get a chance to come get it. I'm gonna get it on now. Some tires and everything. Like I said, I got it from the referral program. Some people use my referral. Thumbs up again. Thank y'all so much. Got this for free. See, everything just look dusty, but it's not dirty or scratch. But yeah, I'll put them on and see what y'all think. Okay guys, this is Snowbell with the white on white, the green caliper. Oh, caliper is dirty. Gotta clean that. Woo! But that's a look. She's looking real pretty, like I said. Take her for a little spin. Shit. How she look outside? It's all white. Pretty. She's styling. Looking real good. But yeah, what y'all think? Hope y'all like it. Like I showed y'all before, these are the 22s. They are factory Tesla 22s. I just got powder coated all white. Same color as the car. Last time I had it all white, but now I ended up doing the same exact color of the car. The powder coat is nice. Tesla don't have the chrome, they give you like a cap. So I took that off and ordered some nuts. Looking much nicer like that. And like I said, gonna take her for a spin. See how she look. And with the wheel, custom wheel that I made, got it made. I get real used to it. You'll see when I'm driving now. But yeah, let's hit the road. And we'll go from there. Yeah. Alright guys, so there's a quick update show y'all. I'm putting autopilot. I got custom driving with this now. Look at this guy. Yeah, well, I got custom driving with it. At first it was kind of difficult, but now it's like it come normal. So I guess everybody will be driving normal when they get it for the refresh. I got the white wheels now, looking real nice. The white on white, the car stand out even more. Kind of like that. But yeah, I don't know what y'all think about the white. Would you get your wheel custom? Like I said, man, those are 22, the factory 22s from Tesla, so they're not really heavy to make your car sluggish or whatever. I just get them powder coated. Look real nice. Make the car stand much more. You see it, you notice it. They're all white. They drive real nice as well. Even with this yoke, you drive with a yoke now. I just can't wait for the refresh for the white phone to come. That should come shortly. Hope we get it. And then you can really drive the yoke to see how that feel. But for the meanwhile, I'm just gonna continue just doing quick little updates to the car, adding this, adding that. I don't know what else I could do to it right now. I got the lights, got the TVs. Might wrap. I was thinking about a wrap. I wanted that light blue type of white, like the cloud, like the sky. I wanted that color ever since. I always wanted to wrap a car. I always wanted to do my car in a color like that. But if you're in the area, I'm in Brooklyn, Coney Island area, like Coney Island and Church, the car wash and the rinse spot next door, they're probably code the rinse for me. So you could probably check them out. They got the number in the video. I'm also gonna put in the link below. They charge good price, If your rim is scratch up, you could also, because I had these before. It was in white and they get a couple of scratches, so I ended up doing them over in the car now, so it even look much better. But if you're interested, you could probably hit them up, see how much they're gonna charge you, get your wheels powder coated any color you like, or original color, gray or whatever too. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. There ain't much for this video. Just want to show the white, how nice it look, and let me know what y'all think below, man. And please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Give me some thumbs up. Love to read y'all comments, the good, the bad, and the ugly. It doesn't really matter to me, but I love it. But yeah, thanks for watching, and if not, catch y'all in the next one. Peace.